Hi guys, I've been here. In this video, I want to show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for your website, your funnel, your landing page, whatever it is you are using. And this is my website. This website, I want to track Google Ads conversion with this is my Google Ads account, and this is my website. Okay, first we need to connect our website with Google Tag Manager. Okay, we need to first create a Google Tag Manager account. Just go to tagmanager.google.com and create an account. Just type your name or your business name and your country. Select your country and put here your container name. You can choose any name or any name here. Just click web and create. I have already created. Here is my web container. Now this container we need to connect with our website by using GTM ID or Google Tag Manager ID. Okay, we need to go to Google website dashboard and go to plugin, add new plugin and search here just GTM or Google Tag Manager. I have already installed and activated. Just go to setting and go to Google Tag Manager. Just copy the code, GTM code. Copy the code and go to the Google Tag Manager ID and just paste it here and on the container and save it. And after we need to enable the data layer because data layer is mandatory for the value tracking or the dynamic value tracking. If not use the data layer, you will not track your dynamic value. Okay, we need to enable our data layer. Just again go to setting Google Tag Manager and integration. Go to ecommerce and enable the track enhance e-commerce if you are using WordPress website, or if you are use the Shopify website. I have already made a video how to enable data layer on Shopify website without a RSS app. Just track enhance e-commerce and save change. Now we need to check our Google Tag Manager is our website is connected or not. Just go to visit site and enable the Google Tag Assistant Legacy, and you can easily install by Google search. Enable it and reload it, and it successfully installed Google Tag Manager with our website. Now already we have installed our data layer. Now we need to create our two variable. Okay, now create the user defined variable, add new variable, configure and go to data layer variable, and data layer variable name is, I have already copied here. First data layer variable name is, copy the ecommerce.value, ecommerce.value, and the name is DLB versus value. Okay, you can any name set here. The second name is e-commerce transaction ID. Again go to data layer variable, is the e-commerce transaction ID, and same name is again transaction ID. Okay, and this is a currency. If you have a multiple currency your website, you can use it. Just copy the currency data layer variable, again currency. Check. Now our data layer variable is created successful. Now we need to go to triggers. Create the trigger. The trigger name is custom event. Trigger name is purchase. Trigger name is purchase. Just I am using this. Trigger name is purchase. Just save it. And I can go to tags and create a new tag configure. Go to Google Ads conversion tracking, and we need to conversion ID, conversion label, conversion value, transaction ID, currency code. These three types of variable we are already created. Here is variables. Okay, first we need to conversion ID. Now we need to go to Google Ads and go to tools and settings, go to conversions and create new conversion action. Go to website and put your domain name is, my domain name is scan. And we need to go to create the conversion action manually using the code. Okay, go to add a conversion manually, select the category. Our conversion is purchase, conversion name is, you can keep the purchase. Okay, now this is value. Now we need to select the use different value for each conversion. This is a dynamic. Okay, this conversion is dynamic. You can use your currency, you can put your any value. Okay, default value is 1, but if you not use the 0, I think only use the 1 or 2 USD. Okay, now you can, as it is recommended for purchase, because every purchase is billable. Okay, if our customer purchases are 2 or 3 times, these are count by 2 or 3 times. Okay, and if you are select the one customer purchase 3 or 4 times, only this count by only 1 time, but this is a recommended. They are recommended. Okay, or this is on for, it's for leads or sign up, or this is for purchase. Then we need to click to conversion. You don't need to change. If you are changing, you can change it, but it's not recommended to change. Okay, our attribution model is we can select the last click or recommended data driven. You can use the recommended. Done. And save and continue. And now we need to the active measurement with the Google Tag Manager. We need to configure the using Google Tag Manager. Okay, to Google Tag Manager, copy the conversion ID. Now go to Google Tag Manager, paste here conversion ID and copy the purchase, find below the conversion levels for the conversion action you have created. You copy the purchase. This is, I think, conversion level. Now we change conversion level to created purchase. Okay, and done it. Again go to tag manager and replace the conversion value. We have already conversion value is purchase value. Transaction ID is transaction ID and currency code is currency. If not have multiple currency, you can not use, but you can use. It's not recommended if you have one currency your website. Now we need to trigger the conversion is purchase. Okay, trigger the purchase, and you can use any name, Google Ads conversion, and save. And as you can see, here is a warning, missing the conversion linker tag missing in content. It's recommended. Okay, I can go to tag configure, select the conversion linker, go to trigger, select the all pages, and name is conversion. Our Google Ads conversion is successfully completed. Now save. You can, there is an email, save, continue. Now we need to check our conversion tracking, the conversion linker tag working on it. Go to preview, copy the website URL, paste here and connect. And if I go to tag assistant, and as you can see, our Google Ads conversion linker is fired. For the reason we are use this conversion linker tag on all pages, and tag not fired Google Ads conversion tracking. If I go to purchase product, place order, and you will see our Google Ads conversion tracking is fully fired. If I go to show more, as you can see, our transaction ID is fired, conversion value is fired, currency is fired. Now conversion level or conversion ID, these are working. If I go to data layer, purchase variable, if I go to purchase variable, and as you can see, here is our currency is USD, already detected dynamically. Our purchase value is $349.9. Okay, and our transaction ID is 1313, and event name is purchase and purchase URL. Our Google Ads conversion tracking is successfully installed on our website. Thanks for watching this video. If you are benefited from this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.